Hello everyone! Welcome back to Electronics. In today's review, we'll be taking a close look at the LAMTTO 9.2 6-inch wireless CarPlay touchscreen with a built-in 4K front dash cam. This versatile car accessory is designed to upgrade your driving experience with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and high-definition recording. So, whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, stick around as we dive into the details. The LAMTTO 9.2 6-inch touchscreen offers seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. With a simple Bluetooth and Wi-Fi setup, your smartphone pairs effortlessly, giving you access to apps, music, maps, and more. You can even use voice commands with Siri or Google Assistant to make your driving experience hands-free and safe. Plus, the CarPlay system remembers your connection, so it auto-connects the next time you're in the car. This device isn't just a touchscreen, it also comes equipped with a 4K front dash cam. The ultra-high-definition camera captures every detail, from license plates to road signs, even at night. The dash cam features a 170-degree wide-angle lens and loop recording, ensuring you never run out of storage. The G sensor adds an extra layer of security, automatically locking crucial footage in case of an accident. And don't worry about extra purchases. A 64GB TF card is included. Smart features don't end there. The LAMTTO screen supports voice control and real-time GPS navigation through CarPlay or Android Auto. This way, you get the latest map updates from your phone without needing additional fees. The built-in microphone enables clear, hands-free calls, keeping your focus on the road. The device also automatically adjusts its brightness based on ambient light, making it easy on the eyes, day or night. Sound quality matters too. With Bluetooth 5.0, FM transmission, and an AUX connection, you can choose how to stream audio. Use the built-in speakers or sync the sound to your car's system for a more immersive experience. For added convenience, LAMTTO offers a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring you're never left without assistance. This makes it a reliable investment for any vehicle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and think the LAMTTO 9.26 wireless CarPlay screen could enhance your driving experience, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and car accessories. Have any questions or want to share your experience with this device? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video and happy driving!